Are you happy? Say hi. It's a video.
Hi.
How old are you?
1. Can you say 1? Oh, you got it. 1?
How old is he?
Yeah. Are you happy?
How old is he?
High five. No. 1.
How big is he? It's easier to do this.
Hi, babe. Haley, how old are you now?
7,
When's your birthday?
July 15th.
What grade are you in?
2nd.
What's your teacher's name?
Mr. Burkham.
It's a boy?
Yeah.
He likes Green Bay Packers.
Oh, he likes Green Bay Packers?
And Haley don't like that.
No? You're a Vikings fan?
Hardcore.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No.
Do you want a boyfriend?
No.
Why?
Huh? Huh?
Do you miss me?
A lot.
Are you hanging out soon?
Like, you're gonna come up next time?